Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to your laptop. Let's get started. First, go to the Manage Google Account page. Next, click on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down a bit until you see the Apps and Services section. Click on the small arrow next to it, and then you'll find the option for Google Photos under Other Google Services. Click on the Download button. This will take you to the Google Takeout page where we will download all our photos. Make sure Google Photos is selected, then click Continue. There are two options for exporting: Export Once and Export every 2 months for 1 year. I prefer the Export Once option, so select that. For the file type, choose the zip file format since it's the easiest to manage. Once you've set the preferences, click on Create Export. Google will start creating a copy of your data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or even days, depending on the amount of data. Once your export is complete, you will receive an email notification. Navigate to the Manage Export section and locate your exported file by checking the date. Click on Download and enter your account password when prompted. The download will start automatically. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more tips.